Your car's engine is its heart, and when it's not running smoothly, it affects everything. Protect your investment by addressing engine problems early, so you can enjoy a reliable ride and avoid unnecessary expenses down the road. Here are some basic tips on what to look for, as well as what you can do if you're experiencing engine troubles. Number 1, listen for unusual noises. If you hear knocking, ticking, or grinding noises from the engine, it can indicate a serious issue like worn bearings or low oil pressure. Number 2, pay attention to the check engine light. Don't ignore the check engine light. It could be signaling anything from a loose gas cap to a major engine malfunction. Number 3, keep an eye on engine temperature. If your car is overheating, it's important to pull over and shut off the engine to avoid long-term damage. Now that you know some basic tips on what to look for, here's how you can troubleshoot at home. Number 1, engine misfiring or stalling. If your engine is misfiring or stalling, it could be caused by a variety of issues, from faulty spark plugs to fuel system problems. Number 2, rough idling or acceleration. A rough idle or difficulty accelerating might point to problems with your fuel injectors, air intake, or even the ignition system. Number 3, smoke from the exhaust. Blue, black, or white smoke from your exhaust indicates different engine problems, from burning oil to coolant leaks or unburned fuel. Now that you know some basic tips on how to troubleshoot at home, here's how our expert team specializes in diagnosing and repairing all sorts of engine problems. Number 1, comprehensive engine diagnostics. We'll perform a thorough diagnostic test to identify the root cause of your engine problems using the latest tools and technology. Number 2, clear communication and options. Once our vehicle health checkup is complete and we pinpoint the issue, we'll walk you through our findings with pictures and videos and offer solutions that fit your needs and budget. Number 3, skilled and trusted technicians. Our ASE certified technicians have the expertise to handle everything from minor engine repairs to complete rebuilds, ensuring your car is back on the road in top condition. Whether your engine needs a simple tune-up or major repairs, you can count on us for fast, trustworthy service. Go to our website to book your appointment today.